Yo guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to change the Depowerline on your core sensor 3 bar. The only thing you will need is the replacement set of core with a new Depowerline. The first step is to undo the loop on the back of your safety line, just like so. Make sure you don't lose the pin. The second thing you do is pull the safety line through the heart of the safety. And then through the bar. Make sure to pull it all the way out, also through the claim cleat. After that you will go to the split and will undo the nut and the plastic ball. Pull the line all the way through. Until you are to the end. Get the ball through. And the line is free. Then the next step is to get the rings off the power line and detach the rings from the line. You got 2 rings, so 2 rings to detach. At the package you have 2 extra rings, which will go on to the next one. After that you go to the back of the bar and undo the nut on the front of the clamp cleat. You pull it all the way through. This is the line which is going to be replaced. You won't need it anymore. So get your new line with 3 new rings, of course. First get the rings off because you need to attach the safety line to it. So get the other side of the line and pull it through. So when that's done, you go to the next step, is to get the new rings onto the upper front lines. It's a very easy process, but to make sure to do it right. Also don't forget the small middle ring. You slide the rings onto the new power line, the small one in the middle, which is probably a bit harder to fit on, and the last one. After that you get your safety line and you will need to reconnect it. So it's a loop-to-loop connection. through, and then you pull the line all the way until you are with the ball. After that you make a nice knot, slide the plastic ball to make it secure. It will look like this. The final step is to feed the safety line back into the bar again. Make sure don't forget to pull it through the bar insert, as well as the heart of the safety. Then the last step is to get the safety ring attached. So bend the safety line a bit and get the pin between it. And then you put the cap back on, and you're ready to ride.